The Arizona sky burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul like Californian gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up and I can't find the words, and every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. And love is in the night, and poets trying to write. We don't know how to rhyme, but damn, we tried. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. And the part of me that's you will never die. So when I'm all choked up and I can't find the words, and every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. And I don't wanna be just a memory, baby. So when I'm all choked up and I can't find the words, and every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. When you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way.
Hey, well done, Michael. Louise, what do you think?
Michael, I love the changes that you made in that. I love that you made it your own. You know, you changed kind of the melody almost in the second verse especially. So I like that you did that and made it your own. I love that with that song you showed that you can belt, and you can belt well. It wasn't perfect. There were bits that were pitchy. The middle 8 section, it started off really pitchy with the I Don't Want to Be Just a Memory. That was really pitchy. And then it was followed by just dead air. I wish you'd had filled that in a little bit, you know, because it was... The middle 8 is kind of the build to the big chorus at the end, and it was just kind of like pitchy and then nothing, and then we just had a chorus. So I wish you'd have filled that in a little bit. One bit of advice I'd give you is, and it wasn't necessarily just in this song, but you don't need to decorate things too much with like little riffs and quirky bits, because your voice is so unique. It's unique enough on its own, and when you add those riffs in and they're not perfect, it takes away from what makes you you. But your voice is fine on its own. It doesn't need all those fancy extras because you're already so unique and so special with your tone. So that's just a bit of advice for you. But it was a good performance. It was a good song. I like that you did something different. So big well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, I really like the changes that you put into that, because this is another one of those songs that's just been overdone. But when you put your voice to it, it gives it that sort of like rock edge. So it's not like the typical same old version of that song. It gives it something else. I think it was like the most emotional, sort of like passionate performance I've seen from you. You sort of really kind of like let go and put everything into that performance, and I think it really, really paid off. The bridge was pitchy, but I think that you did enough throughout with the changes and the fact that you really went for it. I think you did enough to showcase what you could actually do. I think it's like one of my favourite performances of yours, and just don't be afraid to like go with that rock vibe that you've got, because it's just a really raw quality to your voice, and you don't have to be anyone else or do anything other than, you know, how you're feeling a song, how you interpret a song. Don't feel that you have to go like above and beyond what you can give, because what you can give is actually enough, you know, to make that song something special. So well done, Michael.
Yeah, Michael, I mean, this week was a challenge for you because obviously, you know, when you mentioned a certain song you wanted to do, which I was like, well, that's just typical, people are going to expect that. But I wanted you to challenge yourself a bit more because uniqueness, you do stand out in this competition. But I know you also don't believe you can do certain things with your voice that you actually can. And that's what throws you off. When you got to that last bridge bit, you kind of went off pitch a little bit. But I was watching you, and just watching you when you was doing it, it was almost like, I can't do it. You know, you was giving up as you was doing it. But this is the point of this challenge, is for you to say, do you know what, I can't do it. And you've had nice comments today, you know, about your range of pushing yourself, and Kelly picked up, it seemed like he was really passionate, you know, and that's because we've seen a certain part of your voice that we haven't seen before. This, to me, is where I feel like you sit best as a singer. You know, when you got Love Is in the Night, it was really gutsy, but you can't be frightened of it. So please take that on board from you. Start to believe that you can give a lot more vocally. That's all you need to do. Other than that, well done.